I'm going to be reviewing the HP Desktop Ink Advantage 2545 printer, scanner and copier. This is a budget printer, scanner and copier. It's an all-in-one printing solution device. So as you can see, it has got a very nice compact form factor. And connectivity wise, this printer comes with USB printing as well as wireless printing. This printer I have configured for wireless printing so that I can print from any device in my home network as long as they are connected to the Wi-Fi. Also, it comes with a color printing option along with the standard black and white option and an LCD display to show the Wi-Fi status and the number of printing copies. So let me just go to the back and show you the connectivity options available. So as you can see, that's the power port there, and that is the USB connector there. So once you have configured the USB connection with this, then you can set up the wireless connection. After that is done, you can practically remove the USB cable and do wireless printing on this device. It is also assisted with a desktop software called the HP e-ink ePrint software, as well as an Android and iOS and Windows application where you can actually determine the printer parameters like paper size, color, black and white, etc, etc. So this comes with color and black and white cartridges. So as you can see, this is the color cartridge and this is the black ink cartridge. Let me close it. And this also comes with the scanning functionality. This is capable of scanning of about I believe 12,000 dpi, but usually we would use anything between 300 to 600 dpi range. And this is normal printing paper that I'm using here. You can also use glossy paper in this to print photographs. I have printed the photographs from this device, and the quality is pretty decent. It's good enough, not that great, but for a budget printer you cannot expect much more, but it is of decent quality and usable quality. And the printing quality is actually very good. The prints are very crisp and sharp. So let me see if I can print a test page for you guys here. So I believe now it's in the scanning mode. Okay, I believe I put an empty scanning onto this device. So I'll just try to scan something here with color itself. So let's see how the output is. So I've placed it on the scanner. Okay, so let me go for the color option. So as you can see, it started to indicate that it's printing. So I'm just going to leave the video on so that you get an idea of how long it takes for a color printout to be printed from this device. The more the color palettes in the scan copy, the more time it will take to probably print the picture out. So in this case, you can see it's pretty decent. It's fast enough. There you go. So let me just compare it with the actual picture that we just printed from this. So this is the photo that we scanned. This is the photo that we printed. So it's pretty accurate. It's just that there is a little bit more of contrast difference. That's the only thing. Otherwise it's just perfect. So this is the scan copy, this is the scan copy, and this is the printed copy. So they're pretty good. So let me just go ahead and try to get a black and white copy out of this. So one-handed operations here, so just bear with me. So I'll just take a black and white copy out of this. Just be sure that when you're trying to print some documents, if there's a lot of black ink on it, you would end up using the black ink or the coloring palettes a lot more than usual. So, so there you see it. It's crisp. The printing is very crisp. So this is just about scanned images. Documents are even more better than this. So I think you will get an idea that, looking at the fine print here itself, or you can see here that it's a really good printing device, right? And so coming to the connectivity options, yes, through the USB it's faster, but through the Wi-Fi it's more convenient, and setup using the Wi-Fi is also a breeze with the software that comes along with the printer, as well as printing it from the mobile devices also is a breeze. So all in all, it is a compact, very budget friendly. I mean, it's user friendly, and it's also a budget device. So overall, it's a good printer, and yes, I would definitely recommend it.